Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As we continue through the holy month of Ramadan, many of us are breaking our fasts with iftar meals. It's important to choose nutritious foods that can help replenish our bodies and provide us with energy for the next day of fasting. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some healthy iftar ideas that are both nutritious and delicious. Idea number 1, lentil soup. Lentil soup is a nutritious and filling soup that is perfect for breaking your fast. It's packed with protein, fiber, and iron, which can help keep you full and energized throughout the night. You can also add vegetables such as carrots, celery, and spinach for added nutrition. Idea number 2, grilled chicken and vegetables. Grilled chicken and vegetables are a great way to get in some protein and fiber after a day of fasting. You can marinate the chicken in spices such as cumin and paprika for added flavor. You can also grill vegetables such as zucchini, eggplant, and bell peppers for added nutrition. Idea number 3, chickpea salad. Chickpea salad is a refreshing and nutritious salad that can be made in minutes. Chickpeas are a great source of protein and fiber, while vegetables such as cucumber, tomato, and onion add vitamins and minerals. You can also add a dressing made with lemon juice, olive oil, and herbs for added flavor. Idea number 4, baked sweet potato fries. Baked sweet potato fries are a healthier alternative to regular fries and are packed with nutrients such as vitamin A and fiber. You can season them with spices such as cumin and cinnamon for added flavor. They make a great side dish for any iftar meal. Idea number 5, fruit salad. Fruit salad is a refreshing and sweet way to end your iftar meal. Fruits such as watermelon, berries, and grapes are packed with vitamins and minerals and can help satisfy your sweet tooth. You can also add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of nuts for added flavor and texture. Idea number 6, quinoa and chickpea bowl. Quinoa is a great source of protein and fiber, while chickpeas add even more protein and a delicious nutty flavor. You can add veggies such as roasted sweet potatoes and broccoli to make it a complete meal. Idea number 7, grilled fish with brown rice. Grilled fish is a lean protein source that is low in calories and high in omega-3 fatty acids. Brown rice is also a great source of fiber and nutrients. You can season the fish with spices such as paprika and cumin for added flavor. Idea number 8, lentil and vegetable stir-fry. Lentils and vegetables make a great stir-fry combination that is both nutritious and flavorful. You can add veggies such as bell peppers, broccoli, and mushrooms for added nutrition and texture. Idea number 9, tuna salad wrap. Tuna is a great source of protein and healthy fats, while adding veggies such as lettuce, tomato, and cucumber make it even more nutritious. You can wrap it up in a whole wheat tortilla for a complete meal. Idea number 10, chicken and vegetable curry. Curry is a flavorful and aromatic dish that can be made with chicken and vegetables such as potatoes, carrots, and cauliflower. You can use spices such as turmeric and cumin for added flavor and nutrition. Idea number 11, vegetable and lentil soup. Vegetable and lentil soup is a nutritious and filling soup that is perfect for breaking your fast. You can add veggies such as carrots, celery, and spinach for added nutrition and flavor. Idea number 12, grilled halloumi cheese salad. Grilled halloumi cheese is a delicious and protein-packed cheese that can be grilled and served on top of a salad made with veggies such as arugula, cherry tomatoes, and cucumbers. You can dress it with a vinaigrette made with olive oil and lemon juice for added flavor. That's it for today's video on healthy iftar ideas. I hope you found these meal ideas helpful and inspiring. Remember, it's important to nourish your body with nutritious foods during Ramadan, and these ideas will help you do just that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And as always, thank you for watching and Ramadan Mubarak.